How to see Spotify password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Passwords application on your phone. The Passwords app is a dedicated tool for managing passwords, passkeys, and verification codes. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on All as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved passwords on iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the app you're looking for. For example, Spotify. You can now view your Spotify account password and other details over here. You can also copy the password from here if you want. Following these steps, you can easily see Spotify password on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.